Hi, it's November the 13th, 2020. This is Dr. Fryer, and in this screencast, I'd like to teach you how you can use your iPad and a stylus to annotate in Google Classroom, and specifically how you can be filling out your math assignments in 6th grade for Miss Rumbaugh, and you're going to be turning those in. So on your iPad, you're going to need the Google Classroom app for this. You won't be able to do this in Safari. The app really makes this fast with the stylus. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Classroom app, and here I am in our class. I'm going to tap on our assignment. At the bottom is my work, so I tap on my work, and there's the PDF that is my assignment. So you will tap on that PDF to open it, and up in the upper right corner there is an icon of a pencil. You will tap that pencil, and now you can start writing. And you can tap on your pen tool, and you can choose to do this, for instance, in black, and we'll do our corrections in red. So I haven't done these for a little while, so I'll just work this first one here. I think this is right. So there's my answer. I'll circle my answer, and you can go ahead and do the rest of these assignments or the rest of these problems. All right. When you are done, you're going to tap save in the upper right corner, and it's going to go ahead and save that assignment. Now, if your teacher has asked you to just go ahead and turn this in, you'll tap the X in the upper left corner, and then you can go ahead and tap to turn it in. But what Miss Rumbaugh wants to do is actually do corrections inside class, and so she'd like a screenshot of your assignment before you're finished. So you'll do this more than one time if there's more than one page. But I'm going to go ahead and tap on this PDF again, and then to make a screenshot, it depends on the kind of iPad you have, but on my iPad I'm going to hold down the power and the volume up buttons, push them both. If you have an older iPad, you may be pushing the home button and the power button. And so now that screenshot is saved in my photos. And so I'm going to X this out and add another attachment. So when I tap add attachment, I choose pick photo, and the most recent thing there is my screenshot. So I'm going to be turning in two things here. One of them is going to be my PDF, and then the other one is going to be the screenshot. When you're ready to grade this in class and go over it, you're just going to open up your document and again tap the pencil. If you've turned this in, you won't have a pencil and you have to unsubmit it. Only one person can edit things at a time in Google Classroom, either the student or the teacher. But now that I've tapped the pencil here at the bottom, now I can tap on red. And so I can go ahead, and hey, I didn't do these are wrong, or whatever. I can make any kind of corrections that I need to. And I can go to multiple pages. This one just, has a single page. And when I'm done, I'll go ahead and click Save. Then you can tap the X, and I'm ready to turn in my assignment. So in this case, I'm going to turn in both the screenshot of my completed assignment that's not graded, and then I'm also turning in my corrected assignment. And so I'll click Turn in, and I'm done. And my teacher will be able to grade that and return that to me, and I'll have the grade that goes with that assignment. So I hope this is helpful to you. I want to encourage you, if you have other kinds of questions, and especially if you're at Cassidy School, you can let us know by sending an email to Help Desk. And we also have other tutorials like this about iPads and other things on our support website, mainly for teachers, but also some for students, and that is at support.cassidy.org. Have a great day.